Hey guys, Jonny Snider here with Jonny Weld, and I'm here with
Mike, B's Fab Lab.
Make sure you guys give him a follow. We are on our way to ScrapFest Collection Day, where we're going to be collecting the metal and material for our ScrapFest build. So make sure you follow along on the rest of the video and find out what we're making.
Seriously, we can't believe it. We have more teams than ever this year, and just to see this festival growing in the way it has in all these years has just been truly a treat for us, for everyone. We're so glad that we have so many new people involved and so many people coming back again. So thank you very much for being here.
All right guys, this is Jonny Snider here, and I'm going to be doing a little voiceover. And this portion of the video is just set up a camera on the cart. You guys can see kind of like us throwing some pieces in there. Check out the background real quick. This is awesome. We got probably 100 people all picking through a scrapyard. All smiles on their faces, finding that right piece for the right sculpture. You know, something that's going to match exactly what they're looking for. But I just wanted to take a minute and also let you hear some of the sounds going on in the background and just what all's happening. Yeah, pretty wild stuff. We got, everything in a scrapyard that you could think of, for the most part, broken. Like I just picked up a chainsaw. We find old refrigerators and washing machines and whatnot. So we're literally picking through, looking for the right parts. And just a little heads up for you guys that don't know anything about ScrapFest is artists, basically, we have 1 hour from this point to go through and pick the material that we're going to use for the sculpture that we're going to make. And we're only allowed to collect, for us, is 500 pounds, and for the small sculptures, 250. So that's all the material we're allowed to use. And here we're just in our element. Check this out. We're just living our best life, happy as can be, digging through a bunch of scrap metal. Literally like a kid in a candy store. Absolutely love it. Everyone had a smile on their face the whole time. Absolute blast. We're just looking for those pieces. And here we got Mike Bass, who's the person who is kind of the front man for ScrapFest. We have Mr. Soto from Texas. He's the furthest artist, I believe, participating this year. We got my grandpa. Shout out to him for telling me about ScrapFest. And we got Ivan Iller, one of the artists here. Steve Cost, another artist. We just have a ton of artists that are, some of them have been doing it for 10 years. Some of them, this is their first year, and everything between. A little bit of everything on that spectrum. And everyone has their own style, which is really cool, and looking for different pieces. They all bring a fun piece to the table when it comes to the sculptures. Just happy to be here. Look at that. I love it. We were all equally as happy. I can't wait to see what everyone makes. But yeah, so everyone's just collecting as they go, looking for the right pieces. Man, I wish I can go back right now. Keep collecting some stuff. So this is towards the end. Everyone's done picking. Just a little view of the scrapyard and kind of what we had to deal with. Very open and very nice and clean. Here, everyone's kind of finished. The blue bins are what we moved everything around in. The metal crates are what we load up. We're allowed, once again, 500 pounds. So they're going to take those and weigh them at today's scale. So here we go. You can see kind of what we got in there. We're thrilled. We're exhausted. That hour went by so fast. It's crazy. We've got a bunch of good stuff in there, a bunch of random stuff. We have a lot of vision for what we picked. And here we go at the weigh station. By the way, our team is Team Skullbot. That's our team name. Yeah, we're weighing here, and we're just under our weight, which is perfect.
We're good, baby.
So if we were overweight, what we'd have to do is take it out until we got at the weight. We'd have about 10 minutes to do it. Luckily, we're under. And we're just going to be loading stuff up. So I thought this portion of the video would be cool to see kind of all the pieces that we're putting in and how you can see them in their raw form of how we got them. And then what's cool is the next video that I'm going to be posting is going to be the build process of how we turn these pieces into an art piece or our sculpture. You're going to be able to recognize some of them. Some of them we're going to cut up and completely reuse. Some of them we'll leave as is. So if you guys saw me throw that drum in there, and that's really cool piece that I found. Little fun fact is Mike and I both are drummers. So that'll be cool to incorporate that in our sculpture. Last year I did this by myself, and so it's really nice this year to have a fellow artist to be working alongside. I also wanted to take a second and say thank you to David Hyde Photography for taking all the photos that you saw in this video.
Cover their names. That guy always grind it off, or I can leave the sleeves off. I was like, that's gonna be pretty cool. Dude, we get pretty 100 pounds. Yeah, 100 pounds. Well, that could be like 3 big pieces. Yeah, big, but just cat.
Hi, how you doing?
Yeah, Grandpa wanted to make sure we all knew who was recording. Thanks for your help, Grandpa. Yeah, these are the last little bits inside the bin that we have. You can kind of see everything in the background of what we're loading. You know, pick out some pieces, some rims. Obviously, you saw the smoker and the other things that we've kind of tossed in there. Just random junk. You know, a lot of stuff you'd expect at a scrapyard. Nothing fancy, nothing nice. But we have a lot of vision for the pieces that we got. A lot of plans and potential.
All right.
That's it. All loaded up.
That's it.
Hey Johnny, how you doing?
Doing great.
Hey Mike, how you
Not at
doing?
all.
Hey. Here it comes.
And I do want to throw out there that the staff at Friesland Industries Scrapyard everyone was super nice. Pleasure working with them.
Hey, good luck. Nice to meet you. We'll see you at the event in July. Thank you.
All right, here's all the pieces. This is what we got. This is what we got for our sculpture, and it's not much. This is Mike's portion of what he's taking back to his shop. As you can see, it's not a ton of stuff, and just old kind of rusty junk. And this is going to be my portion of what I have at my shop that I'll be working on. And yeah, interesting stuff. So thank you guys for watching and following along on the metal collection day for ScrapFest. Super fun. I had a blast. Honored to be there. The next video that we're going to be doing is the building process of our sculpture, followed by a video of the art piece drop-off day. And the last video will be of the actual ScrapFest event, the main event. You guys can see everything displayed. And that'll be located in Old Town Lansing, Michigan, on July 14th and 15th of 2023. If you're able to make it, I suggest you guys go, especially if you love art and you love metal work. Metal art and welding is going to be the place to go. So thanks again for watching, and thank you for Edge for letting us host this video and share some of the experience about ScrapFest. Please give Edge a subscribe and follow on social media, and as well as following me at Jonny S. Weld and Mike at Bees Fab Lab. All right,